Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Flutter on Windows 11 machine. So what I need to do is just open the Google search bar and I will type download Flutter and I will go to this link. Okay, after that I will go to get started and then I will choose Windows since I am using the Windows machine. So I will click Windows, then I will click desktop, then I will go down and I will click this the zip file. Okay, it will take some time. File is around 1.6 GB. Depending upon your internet speed, it will take time. Okay, I have already downloaded this. What I need to do is just cancel the download process. Okay, afterwards let me show you the file. So once you have downloaded the zip file, all you need to do is just extract the folder. Okay, so now I want this particular folder. So what I need to do next is just copy this folder and paste it over in my C directory. Okay, you just need to copy this and paste it in the C directory. I have already done that. Look, this is my folder. Okay, after that, once the folder is copied, you just need to go to the environment variable, edit the system variable, go to edit, go to environment variable, and right over here you need to provide the path. So I will go to my bin directory and I will just copy the path c flutter and /bin, and I will go to the environment variable, edit the environment system environment variable. Okay, and then I will go to the path. I will open this and I will click new and I will paste the path over here. Okay, bin directory path, click OK, and then I will click OK. So now I will open the command prompt. So in the search bar I will type command prompt and I will right click and I will run this as an administrator. Click yes, and now I will type the command flutter -- version and I will press enter, and this will give me the Flutter version, okay, which has been installed. Now I will type Flutter and I will press enter. Okay, look, Flutter has been installed. At the end I will request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you and have a great learning.